Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of our new Bennington 20 SSR. This is a beautiful boat. It's part of Bennington's new no haggle upfront pricing package. We'll have all this listed on our website so you can take a look at our up-to-date pricing. This is a tritoon. Comes with the SPS package. It's an ocean blue. It's a gorgeous boat. Let's walk around back. Here at the stern of the boat, we've got YAMAHA's 4-stroke 115 horsepower outboard. Got a really nice boarding ladder and your ski tow bar. Here on the inside of the boat at the bow, we have gorgeous seating. This soft touch vinyl is beautiful. Has a luxurious feel with Simtex accents. It's got your cup holders, nice little tray in the bottom right there in your lumbar area to hold your phone. We've also got this removable table. And as we move back to the helm, you can see we've got cup holders, analog gauges, our Garmin Echo Map, analog switches for all your accessories, Rockford Fosgate stereo. We also have a charging port tucked away there for your phone, co-captains and captain's chairs. And we have your stern radius seating here, as well as your bimini top. This is a beautiful boat. If you'd like to come out and see it in person or find out more information, come out to our Greenville showroom.